Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Executive trainee post vacancy in Gas Authority of India Limited. Eligibility: degree in electrical, mechanical, production, manufacturing, instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, electrical and instrumentation, electrical and electronics engineering with GATE 2022 score. Age limit maximum 26 years. Last date for application 16 March 2022. 950 assistant post vacancy in Reserve Bank of India. Eligibility: bachelor degree in any discipline. Age limit between 20 to 28 years. Last date for application 8 March 2022. Application fees are as 450 for general, OBC, EWS and 50 for SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen candidates. 81 junior technician post vacancy in Bank Note Press. Eligibility: ITI in electrical, electronics, printing trade, paint technology, printing ink technology, desktop technology, surface coating technology with 1 year national apprenticeship certificate. Age limit maximum 25 years. Last date for application 28 March 2022. 14 civilian motor driver post vacancy in Naval Ship Repair Yard, Port Blair. Eligibility: 10th with driving license for heavy motor vehicle and motorcycle. 1 year driving experience in heavy motor vehicle. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 10 April 2022. Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences vacancy for Library Assistant, Junior Engineering Assistant, LDC, Multitasking Staff and Consultant. Eligibility: 10th, 12th, ITI, Graduation, Bachelor Degree in Library Science and Retired Government Officer for Consultant post. Age limit maximum 27 years for Library Assistant, Junior Engineering Assistant, LDC, 25 years for multitasking staff and 65 years for consultant. Last date for application 15 March 2022. Compassionate ground appointment in Office of the Director General, Assam, Shillong for 152 Rifleman, General Duty, Havildar, Clerk, Warrant Officer, Radio Mechanic, Havildar Operator, Radio and Line, Rifleman, Armorer, Rifleman, Lab Assistant, Rifleman, Nursing Assistant, Rifleman, Washerman and Rifleman Aya. Eligibility: only one dependent family member of Assam Rifles personnel who were killed in action, dead while in service, discharged from service on medical ground and missing in service are eligible to apply. Educational qualification: 10th, 12th. Age limit between 18 to 23 years for Rifleman, General Duty, Rifleman, Armorer, Havildar, Lab Assistant, Rifleman, Nursing Assistant, Rifleman, Washerman. 18 to 25 years for Havildar, Clerk, Warrant Officer, Radio Mechanic, Havildar Operator, Radio and Line and Rifleman Aya. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 20 March 2022. Tradesman skilled post vacancy in Indian Navy. Eligibility: 10th, ITI with apprenticeship training of electrical fitter, electroplaster, engine fitter, foundry, pattern maker, ICI fitter, instrument fitter, machinist, millwright fitter, painter, plater, sheet metal worker, pipe fitter, refrigeration and air conditioning fitter, tailor, welder, radar fitter, radio fitter, rigger, shipwright, blacksmith, boiler fitter, civil works, computer fitter. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 21 March 2022. Salary as per pay level 2. Short Service Commission post vacancy in Indian Navy. Eligibility: BE or BTech. Age limit: born between 2 January 1998 and 1 July 2003 for general service, born between 2 January 1998 and 1 July 2002 for air traffic controller, born between 2 January 1999 and 1 July 2004 for observer and pilot. Last date for application 12 March 2022. 10 scientists, 4 senior scientists and 6 principal scientist post vacancy in CSIR National Chemical Laboratory. Eligibility: PhD in Chemical Engineering, Chemical Technology, Polymer Engineering, Plastic Engineering, Material Science and Material Engineering. Age limit: 32 years for scientist, 37 years for senior scientist, 45 years for principal scientist. Last date for application 10 March 2022. And hard copy of the application should reach the office on or before 21 March 2022. Salary as per pay level: 11 for scientist, 12 for senior scientist and 13 for principal scientist. Thanks for watching till the end.